Hi, welcome to Lockbox course. So in this lecture, we will post the Lockbox file which we have created in our earlier lectures. The transaction code to post the Lockbox file is FLB2. Log into SAP. Go to transaction code FLB2. I've created a variant. Let's select that. So because you have to select import into bank data storage, in case you are uploading the file from the desktop or your laptop, select PC upload. In case it is from a network drive, this is not required. The procedure is Lockbox. As we have discussed, SAP currently comes with only Lockbox procedure, only one procedure, Lockbox. A record format, that is a file structure, is the BAI2, so give the BAI2. Invoice number, so here do an F4 and we have an options like how the record can be cleared. Basically how the payments received from customer will be cleared against the customer invoices. So if we select 1, it will be matched based on the document number, which is the SAP document number. If we select option 2, it will be matched on the reference document number, which is the customer invoice number. If you select option 3, it will first try to match based on SAP document number. If that is not found, it will try to match the documents based on customer invoice number. So we have selected option 3. Assign value date and print statistics. Let us select our file. Lockbox test file. Run the program. It's taking some time. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the message. The file has been successfully posted. So we see it has posted 2 documents. This one followed by zeros and 4 in the last, the GL document, and the next is a subledger document. And the status is applied. That is, this $15,000 has been fully applied against the customer invoice. Program was able to find the customer invoice against which the payment was made, and it cleared the customer invoice against this payment. Let's look at these documents. So here we see the main bank account. The Citibank Lockbox account has been debited with the cash amount of $15,000, and the intermediate clearing account 113109 has been credited. This is what we have configured during our Lockbox configuration. Let's look at the other document. this document debits the intermediate bank clearing account, which is 113109, and credits the customer with 15,000. So it was able to fully apply 15,000 against the customer invoice. So the file is successfully posted in the SAP. Coming to the tables, which are SAP tables which are involved in Lockbox, there are these four main tables are there. FEBCO is for the Lockbox header records, and FEBEP for the Lockbox line item record. If you want details about the payment invoice which is created by the program, we can go to table AVIK and AVIP. Let's look at table FEBCO. SE16N. So sending bank statement ID or recipient key. That's application. Here is Lockbox. Let's look at the sending bank was, yeah. Okay, so we see the sending bank is basically the account number and the routing number, and then we have the statement ID, which is again account number, routing number, and statement ID is the Lockbox number followed by date. So we have the entry here, application 03, and so this was posted today. All three files were posted today, and we can look at the line items which have been posted by picking the sort key, which is 162, and go to the line item table, which is C16 and FEBP. Sort key was this. Yes. And here we have the details, sort key, and you have the document number 1 followed by zeros and 4. This is what we have seen has been posted. Amount 15,000. Value date, today's date. And the subledger document number 95 followed by zeros and 3 in the last. So we can verify the postings done in the table, which looks correct. So with this, we have completed our discussion on SAP Lockbox functionality, covering the business process, configuration, file structure, master data update, and finally testing.